my wife and I moved here from Wollongong about 3 years ago. We had a dream to do an off-grid property and do permaculture gardens and try and just live a self-sustained, self-efficient life. And we just went down during COVID, went down the rabbit hole on YouTube and just started watching a bunch of videos of what's possible, what we could do. Had 2 young daughters at the time that were just finishing school, so they were at the right age to sort of make a move. And long story short, mate, we came across a video that we saw these guys using those Blue Eddy solar generators, and my wife and I both looked at each other and went, this could work for us, because we don't need to run too much stuff while we're just starting out. So we did that. We bought a Blue Eddy system, a solar generator, and then we had that. We used that. We were running a fridge, our Starlink internet off that, and then we just ran laptops and charged the phones and that kind of thing off that. And then we had a little esky as well, like a car mount sort of esky that we were using. And that worked, but the problem with it was it needed to charge every day. So it was awesome in the summertime because we had sun for hours and hours and hours. But as soon as we hit winter and we had a much shorter time period, the fridges were chewing up the power. So it got us thinking then we need to go to another level, And then once we got the shipping containers here and we got a little bit more set up and we moved on to the platform house over here into the tent, we needed to step it up to another level because we had fridges running in there. And, with having all the girls, they wanted their creature comforts a little bit. I was all right, just sitting by the fire and chilling out, but they wanted that little bit more, those creature comforts. So we thought we need to do a bit more investigating. And then we we met another couple up the road, which they introduced us to the lovely man that is Simon with DCI Industries. And we were just, from the moment we met, there was just a click. We were on the same page. We just got chatting about what could be possible, what we could do, started talking about budgets. And then from there, Simon designed us a system that worked for us. We wrote down all our voltages and what we needed, currents. It wasn't a big process. Simon just made it so easy to just go through and work out what we needed, what we knew would work for us. And then from there, we just took it from there. We drew the system up. Simon and his team came up, and within a couple of days, it was all up and running. We turned it all on, and life hasn't been the same since. So now we're running 3 freezers up here. We're running full internet system down in the house, composting toilets that run 12-volt fans constantly, a wood stove that's running off the solar heater during the day, and then wood fire at night. Man, it's unreal. We're running everything that you would normally want in your house, so it's quite good.